Good posture is essential. It's the foundation for how we move. Good posture helps our bodies handle stress. It even impacts how we deal with gravity. When our posture is good, our bodies work efficiently. We feel better and move with ease. Good posture keeps our bodies aligned. This alignment ensures that muscles, bones, and joints work together harmoniously. This synergy minimizes wear and tear, reducing the risk of aches, pains, and potential injuries. Beyond physical benefits, good posture can boost our mood and energy levels. It can also project an air of confidence and self-assurance. Taking care of our posture is an investment in our overall well-being. Poor posture doesn't happen overnight. It's often a slow creep, a gradual slump that can lead to a cascade of issues. When we slouch or hunch over, our muscles work overtime. This constant strain can lead to tightness, stiffness, and pain in the neck, shoulders, and back. Poor posture doesn't just affect our muscles, it impacts our entire musculoskeletal system. Over time, it can lead to imbalances, potentially contributing to conditions like headaches, sciatica, and even carpal tunnel syndrome. The impact of poor posture extends beyond physical discomfort. Studies have shown links between poor posture and increased feelings of stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Sadly, modern lifestyles often sabotage our posture. We spend hours hunched over computers, our necks craned to look at smartphones. This constant downward gaze puts a strain on our necks and shoulders, encouraging a forward head posture. The rise of sedentary behavior with prolonged sitting and lack of movement further exacerbates poor posture. Our bodies, designed for movement, become stiff and inflexible, our muscles weaken, and our posture suffers. Section 4. Standing tall, sitting right. A guide to good posture. Good posture, both standing and sitting, is about maintaining the natural curves of our spine without stiffness or strain. When standing, imagine a plumb line running from your earlobe through your shoulder, hip, knee, and down to the ankle. Your head should be level, your chin slightly tucked. Your shoulders should be relaxed, not hunched up towards your ears. Your weight should be evenly distributed on both feet. When sitting, choose a chair that supports your back. Keep your feet flat on the floor or use a footrest if needed. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle. Section 5. Tips and tricks for improved posture. Improving your posture requires conscious effort and simple lifestyle adjustments. Start by becoming aware of your posture throughout the day. Are you slouching at your desk? Hunching over your phone? Incorporate regular movement into your routine. Get up and stretch every hour if you have a desk job. Simple exercises like shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and gentle back extensions can make a big difference. Pay attention to your workstation ergonomics. Ensure your computer screen is at eye level to avoid neck strain. Use a supportive chair and consider a standing desk for parts of the day. Finally, remember that footwear matters. Choose shoes that provide good arch support and avoid high heels for extended periods. Small changes consistently applied can lead to significant improvements in posture and overall well-being.